Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today, we're going to talk about a futuristic vehicle that looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. This is the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome Concept. Just imagine, if a supercar company like Lamborghini ever decided to build a luxury motorhome, what would it look like? This question inspired designers and automotive enthusiasts to imagine a vehicle that combines speed, luxury, and futuristic technology into one incredible machine. The story of this concept begins after 2020, when luxury travel became more popular than ever. People no longer wanted to stay only in hotels, they wanted to travel with an entire luxury home on wheels. This growing demand inspired designers to merge supercar styling with the comfort of a high-end motorhome. The designers took inspiration from Lamborghini's famous aggressive styling. Sharp angles, aerodynamic body lines, LED light strips, and a futuristic front fascia give this concept the appearance of a futuristic spaceship. At first glance, it's hard to believe that this vehicle is actually a motorhome. According to the concept, developing a vehicle like this could take anywhere from 3 to 5 years. The process would begin with digital sketches, followed by advanced 3D models, and eventually a full-scale prototype. Each body panel would likely be made from lightweight carbon fiber and advanced composite materials to reduce weight and improve performance. If this project were ever built, it could feature a powerful hybrid or fully electric powertrain. Experts estimate that such a motorhome could produce between 800 and 1,200 horsepower. Unlike traditional RVs, it would deliver performance inspired by Lamborghini's legendary supercars. The interior would be just as impressive. Imagine a spacious living room, smart glass windows, automated lighting systems, premium leather seating, a gaming zone, a luxury bedroom, and a fully equipped kitchen. Nearly every feature could be controlled by advanced AI technology. One of the most exciting features would be its expandable cabin. Once parked, the side walls could automatically extend outward, doubling the available interior space. During travel, it remains compact and aerodynamic, but when parked, it transforms into a luxurious mobile apartment. For security, the motorhome could include biometric access systems, 360-degree cameras, and intelligent monitoring technology. This means only authorized individuals would be able to enter the vehicle. If this concept ever entered production, its estimated price could range between $5 million and $10 million, making it one of the most expensive and exclusive motorhomes in the world. But the biggest question remains, will Lamborghini ever build a real motorhome? As of now, there is no official confirmation. This concept exists only as a designer's vision of what the future of luxury travel could look like. Still, one thing is certain. If Lamborghini ever enters the motorhome market, its creation would likely be just as bold, futuristic, and extraordinary as this concept. So, what do you think about the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome Concept? Would you like to travel in this futuristic luxury house on wheels? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. If Lamborghini ever enters the motorhome market, its creation would likely be just as bold, futuristic, and extraordinary as this concept. So, what do you think about the 2027 Lamborghini Motorhome Concept? Would you like to travel in this futuristic luxury house on wheels? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.